at Mount Pleasant, Coach Theodore Whitmore. A very difficult one to swallow today because you took the lead with a very brilliant goal by Ricardo Morris. I mean, fans are astonished as to how you conceded the goals today. I mean, how as a coach you bring your team through something like that?
Well, again, if you look on the two goals that we conceded, it's unacceptable. But separate and apart from that, I don't think the team show any effort. I don't think the team show any commitment this afternoon, and that for me is unacceptable.
Yeah, what about, did the midweek game have anything to do with the form of the team coming into this, because you had a fixture in the Lynx Cup earlier this week?
Well, again, as I said before, we don't want to find any excuse. We know we have a JPL, and the fixtures has done set, despite having a lot of injuries. But as I said before, the commitment from the players this afternoon and the effort is just unacceptable.
And how do you coach them through this? Because this is now what we call the business end. The playoffs are right on the brink. And how do you get them together, get them focused at this stage of the season, heading into the playoffs?
Well, again, I think a lot of recovery, a lot of rest, more mental than come on the pitch and do a lot of things.
Coach spoke about the commitment and the effort today. Where specifically did it go wrong today?
Well, again, as I said before, all over, it's not an individual, it's a collective. So it wasn't individual, it was just collective.
And I also say, Coach, the team, they didn't create enough opportunities as well. Is the absence of Trevante and Demario, or you believe you had the players who job in spite of two more offensive threats? Trevante with the most goals and Demario with many assists this season. Did that affect the team creating quality opportunities?
Well, if we are going to about Trevante and Demar, then it doesn't make any sense. We have 20 players registered for the club. They have to play their part, and they did that this afternoon.
All right, Coach. Well, listen, thank you. All the best going forward. Like I said, the turnaround time is very short. Game again on the weekend. All the best to you and the team for the rest of the season.
All right, then. Thank you.